Experiencing no service on your Assurance wireless phone? Let's go through the quick fixes step by step. First, ensure it's not a simple issue by toggling airplane mode on and off. This can reset your connection. Next, check your signal bars. 0 bars indicate no signal in your area. Then, update your preferred roaming list by dialing *228 and selecting option 1 or 2. This refreshes the list of preferred towers. Also, inspect your SIM card for damage or misalignment. Remove and reinsert it to ensure proper connection. If these steps don't work, check for a tower outage using the Assurance Wireless app or Verizon's outage map at verizon.com/coverage-map. If basic troubleshooting fails, more complex issues might be at play. A common cause is an outdated PRL. Always update your PRL to ensure your phone connects to the best available towers. Another thing to check is your APN settings for data. It should be set to VZ Winternet. If the problem persists, perform a network reset by going to Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. If all else fails, contact Assurance Wireless Support at 1-888-898-4888 or visit a store for a SIM card replacement or further assistance. Remember, 40% of no service calls are due to user error, so double-check all settings before seeking expert help.